Do you find yourself composing similar phrases and melodies over and over? Or are you looking to give your music a new sound? Using a mode can be a great way to mix up your composing process. In this video, I'll show you all about the Lydian Mode and how you can use it in your music. I'm Simon from Composing Academy, the channel devoted to helping beginning composers get started with writing their own music. If you're looking to kickstart your composing journey, be sure to check out my free beginner's guide to writing cinematic music in 5 easy steps ebook, a link of which is in the description below. A mode can be defined as a type of scale. When we hear the term scale, we tend to think of two types, major scales and minor scales. Major scales generally have a happy and uplifting sound, with minor scales generally more sad and sombre. There are in fact lots of other types of scales, each with a unique and different sound. One of these different types of scales is called a mode. There are 7 modes in Western music, each with a different formula of intervals or gaps between notes, which produce a variety of different sounds. The Lydian mode is one of these, and is often used in film and television music. It's a useful mode for depicting joy and hopefulness, and is used frequently by composers such as John Williams, Thomas Newman, and Alan Silvestri. The Lydian mode is derived from a major scale, and is called a major mode. Let's take the key or scale of C major, which uses all of the white notes on a piano, starting on a C and ending on the C above. Now instead of starting on C, let's play an F and play all the white notes between F and F. If we were to play a normal F major scale here instead, it would have a B flat as the 4th note because of the formula of intervals which make up a major scale. As we're playing all the white notes though, we'll be playing a B natural in our run between F and F. So here is the F Lydian mode. It has a slightly different sound compared to that of a normal major scale. The 4th note sounds different. This means we have raised the 4th note by a half tone or semitone. So a Lydian mode has a raised 4th or sharpened 4th compared to a major scale. If we wanted to play the C Lydian mode, our notes would actually be C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, and back to C. A Lydian scale starting on another note such as G, on the other hand, would be G, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, and back to G. Here I've written a short piece using the C Lydian mode. I start with a repeating piano motif, moving around the notes found in the C Lydian mode. Near the end, I then use some piano chords, built up of the notes of C, D, and F sharp, outlining a Lydian chord. Let's take a listen. One of the most well-known examples of music making use of the Lydian mode is the Simpsons Theme, composed by Danny Elfman, which starts on the C Lydian mode before modulating through a variety of different Lydian scales throughout the piece. The theme from Back to the Future, composed by Alan Silvestri, is also another famous use of the Lydian mode, along with the flying theme from E.T. and the main theme from Jurassic Park, both composed by John Williams. Links to all of these examples are in the description below. Okay, so there's a quick rundown of the Lydian mode. Remember, you can make use of it by starting on any note. The easiest way to work out the note would be to play the major scale of your starting note, but then raising the 4th note of the scale by a half tone or semitone. Have a go at incorporating the Lydian mode into your pieces, and see how it will subtly change the feel and mood of your music. As always, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below as well.